Hey guys, and welcome back to HealthClick. In this video, I'll show you what the Osmo Dashcam Pro is, what it offers, and how to use it. So let's get started. According to the official Osmo websites, the Osmo Dashcam Pro is a front and rear car camera system designed to continuously record what's happening around your vehicle. The current products page lists it as a 4K front camera and a 100 or 1080p rear camera, both recording at 30 FPS or 30 frame per second with a combined 310-degree field of view. According to the websites, Dashcam also feature HDR, enhanced night vision, loop recording, a G sensor, and a parking mode support. The G sensor is designed to detect sudden movements or impacts and automatically protects the relevant footage, so it isn't basically overwritten by normal loop recording. The website states that, or currently states that 32 gigabytes SD card and SD card reader are included. However, because Osmo has multiple products pages with slightly different specifications, I'd recommend checking what's included with the version that you're ordering before purchasing. And to install it, of course, according to Osmo, you'll have to mount the front and rear camera to the windshield using the included mounting accessories. Connect the front camera to your vehicle power source and then connect the rear camera to the front unit. Once powered, the dash cam can continuously record while you're driving. And with loop recording, older footage is automatically overwritten as storage files up, while footage detected as important by the G sensor is protected. If you want to use the available parking protection feature, Osmo states that you'll need a separated hardwire kit, which isn't included with the standard package. So if you decide to purchase the Osmo Dashcam, please carefully review the specifications, what's included in the box, current pricing, shipping information, and return policy before completing your order. The website currently lists the products as you can see here by 149, but pricing and promotions can change. And because some specifications differ between Osmo own page, make sure that you do your own research and verify that the particular model that you're ordering has the features that you need before spending any money. Of course, always making your own research is always recommended on anything that you buy before spending any money. So if you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.